Good morning, everyone. The topic we are starting today is ideal solutions. Hope so you all understood the topic Raoult's law for volatile and non-volatile solution, because that was very important topic. This one is also important topic because from this chapter, from solutions, that 3 marks numerical and 2 marks theory will come. Okay, so generally theory either will come from Raoult's law and all, or maybe from ideal and non-ideal solution. That which type of question will come in your exam, that also I'll tell you later. But first of all, what is ideal solutions? Now in case of ideal solution, actually ideal solutions are those solutions which obey Raoult's law. Okay, at all concentration and at all temperature. Okay, it means whatever is the condition, okay, they should follow. That one is Raoult's law. And you know what is your Raoult's law? That first condition is, if you remember, that one is total pressure. That one is equal to sum of whatever is the pressure present. That one is, it's a PA naught, okay, chi A plus P naught B, it's a psi B. This one is one thing. So in case of ideal solution, generally total pressure is equal to P A naught psi A plus P naught B psi B. Okay, this one is one thing. It means that one is whatever is the solution, that one should obey Raoult's law. So this one is first condition. Now second, because it's an ideal solution, जैसे हम कहते नहीं है किसी पर्सन के लिए कि दिस पर्सन इज आइडियल, परफेक्ट है, इसमें कोई कमी नहीं है, मीन्स वट एवर इज द कंडीशन, आइदर इट्स अ गुड कंडीशन और बैड कंडीशन, ओके, दैट पर्सन रिमेन सेम, उसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं आता, चाहे उसमें कुछ गलत चीज़ें आ जाए उसके सामने, ठीक है, वट एवर इज़ द कंडीशन, मे बी इट्स गुड और बैड, ठीक है, तो वो उसको क्या कर लेता है, एडजस्ट कर लेता है. तो सेम कंडीशन विद आइडियल सॉल्यूशन ऑल्सो, ओके, कि देयर इज नो चेंज, दैट वन इज equal. Okay, now suppose another thing is that one is delta V mixing, that is equal to 0. Delta means it's a change in volume. So means when you add two solution together or two liquid together, okay, but still there is no change in their volume. Okay, means delta V mix, जो भी इसका volume वगैरह mixture है, that one is equal to 0. It's a constant, means there is no change. Okay, same as I told you. Okay, now that one is, third one is delta H mixing, means that one is regarding to enthalpy. Okay, and you know delta H mixing, when you form a solution, okay, two liquids combined together, in that case also there is no change in the enthalpy. Okay, so that one is, okay, that type of solutions, those who obey Raoult's law, means all three law, that one is all 3 points, so that one is basically ideal solution. Even in this one more point, that one is the interaction between the components are similar to those in the pure components. Okay, but that one, instead of this, that all three are more important. Now in this you can take example. Okay, that one is, acha, remember one thing, that one is, there is no perfectly ideal solution, ऐसा कोई solution नहीं है, that one is perfectly ideal. Okay, but nearly ideal. Okay, you know, no, as we said that no person is perfectly ideal, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ defect हो सकता है, थोड़ा कमी हो सकती है. Same condition, there is not a single solution which is perfectly ideal solution. Okay, so we'll learn example which one is nearly ideal. It's not ideal exactly, okay, but nearly ideal solution. Okay, the examples basically I'll give, that one is example of nearly ideal solution. Okay, that one is nearly ideal solution are, in this N hexane, you know, N is represent normal, N heptane. Okay, both are hydrocarbon, N represents normal one, so N hexane, N heptane. You can give example of benzene plus toluene. Okay, we have so many example. Okay, chlorobenzene plus bromobenzene, etc. Okay, when you mix both, okay, together, so there is not much change, or either you can say there is not change in the volume, either it's enthalpy or that no effect on pressure. Okay, very less or negligible effect on pressure, that's why they are nearly ideal solution. Okay, now after that, this one is ideal solution. Opposite of this solution, we have non-ideal solution. Okay, now just see, that one is, next one is, that is non-ideal solution. Okay, now in case of non-ideal solution, this one is opposite. Opposite means that though simple those solution, okay, which do not obey Raoult's law. Whatever is the solution, if they are not obeying Raoult's law, that one is known as non-ideal solution. Okay, if they are not obeying, it means your first condition is that total pressure is not equal to P naught A chai A plus P naught B chai B, because this one is first thing Raoult's law, so they are not following this. Now second thing is that delta V mixing is equal to 0 in ideal one, the non-ideal that one is not equal to 0. Okay, it means just see, if delta V is not equal to 0, it means either the value is in positive or either it is in negative. Okay, now next thing is that one is delta H mixing, that is not equal to 0. Okay, so these are basically non-ideal solutions, those who not obey Raoult's law. It means they are not following the condition, so that one is known as non-ideal solution. Okay, on basically that on these bases, because it's not equal to 0, so on these bases generally, okay, we have two types of non-ideal solution. Okay, one is obviously if it's not equal to 0, so either it's a positive or either it's a negative. So we have two types of non-ideal solution. Okay, one is solution showing positive deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, and another one is solution showing negative deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, that I'll explain in another video. Okay, thank you.